Hello guys, and welcome to my new Slayer guide. In this Slayer guide we will be killing some Mithril dragons. So Moran is one of the Slayer monsters that can assign them as well, and it's probably the quickest Slayer task because you can get assigned 25 to 51 Mithril dragon. We'll be using our magic setup, so Subjugation Set, Chaotic Staff, Zalem Surgeon's String, Tyrannosaur number 4, Dragon Rider Amulet, Maxscape, Mighty Slayer Helmet and Charming Imp. In my inventory, Earth and Air runes because these dragons are weak to Earth spells, in addition to Bane Ammo of course. One Super Anti-Fire Potion that will be enough for this task, and Spring Cleaner. You can kill Mithril dragons in two different places, so either Ancient Cavern, which I'll be using in this video, or in Brimhaven Resource Dungeon. To be able to access Ancient Cavern you need to progress through Barbarian Training, and to be able to enter Brimhaven Resource Dungeon, the area with Mithril dragons, you need to have completed Elite Demonheim tasks and have Demonheim Aura number 4. So use the Fairy Ring and teleport yourself to Ancient Cavern, the area with Water Fiends of course, where most of us train at least our range or collect our charms for summoning, and then run to the east to this staircase over here. So before going up this staircase, be sure that you drink your anti-fire, because one dragon is directly above the staircase and he'll start attacking you when he sees you, as you can see right here. Mithril dragons have a very high defense. They can attack with every of the three combat styles plus Dragon Fire. So you want to be occasionally using either Deflect, Protect, Magic or Ranged, or Soul Split to heal back when you start losing your life points. They are good charm droppers because they drop 4 charms at a time, although 49 to 51% of the time those charms are green ones. They give 1.5k, almost 1.5k combat experience with each kill and 564.4 Slayer experience. Their drops in terms of GP are really bad. Of course you can get extremely lucky, as I did once, and get the Dragon Full Helm, which is currently worth 7.2 million GP on Grand Exchange, or Draconic Visage. They always drop Dragon Bones and 3 Mithril bars, so that's 6,000 in every kill. And they drop Clue Scrolls, so hard clues are uncommon here and elite clues are rare. Yeah, just one thing to add: if you don't have Fairy Rings unlocked, you can use your Ferocious Ring or Slayer Helmet to teleport to Kuradal, and it's also very close to this Mithril Dragon location. And yeah, basically that's all for this one. I'll see you tomorrow, and as always, enjoy.